Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and I have this quick little cute tag that I want to show you. It's a 6 tags pocket tag is what it's called. And I got the idea from Rose Lane Vintage Designs. She made a tag pocket called Olivia Journal 6 tags pocket tag, and that's how I learned how to do this. So I just kind of, it's pretty much the exact same way she did hers, except mine has just some slight variances. So basically, you know, it's like double-sided or whatever. So you have a pocket right here. And I just added some like mulberry flowers, and I did some fussy cutting right here for these little flowers, and then added on another little flower here, and some bling there, and this little button or makeshift button is just cardstock that I cut out 5 times and glued together, and then I stitched this image onto here. And I got this image as well as this image from Tanya Samuels, one of her Etsy shop, Let's Design Creative. This is from her Memories kit, digital kit, and that's where I got these from. So, okay, so you take this out, and also this this background paper is from one of my digital kits on my Etsy shop. Yeah, it's from the Earth Tone Papers kit, and so this right here is a pocket, and this comes from out of there, and this opens up like so. And then you have like a journaling spot. But the way Judy did hers, Judy from Rose Lane Vintage Designs, she kind of did hers vice versa. Like she had like a white backdrop, and then she had pattern paper through here. So I kind of messed up when I was building mine, and so I had to improvise. So this is why I left it like that. So I just did some stamping. I took some white cardstock, and then behind here, this paper here is, this is actually Graphic45, just a little piece of it. I forgot which kit that was from. So this closes up, and let me just tuck this little piece down in here because that's what kind of keeps it closed. But she had like some really pretty lace, and that kind of held it in place. It held the flap in place. So, but I'm using this as a way to keep mine closed. And also on hers, she had a full-size card or tag that went down inside of there, journal card. But I just wanted to just leave my image showing, so that's why I left it like that. And then there's a pocket right here. And this right here is just made out of coffee dyed index card. I did a little bit of stamping, and this stamp set I actually got from the Dollar Tree. I was so stoked that my Dollar Tree, or $1.25 now, $1 plus, we finally got some stamps in our store. And this right here, I added this to some coffee paper. This is from Prima Marketing, and I just stitched around the edge. So yeah, I just glued the coffee dyed index card to the Prima Marketing paper and then just stitched around it. And so I'm just going to put this back in this little side pocket, and we're just going to flip it over, and we've got the same thing. And I stitched around the edge of this photo as well as this photo. I just did a single stitch. And I just did some fussy cutting again, and added a little bit of bling. And then behind here I've got some cheesecloth and some muslin. And we've just got us some Prima Marketing flowers that I put together. They had these, each one of them had like a little rhinestone on them, but I took the rhinestone off of these other ones, and I kind of built this up together, but I left a rhinestone on that one. And then you have your little tuck spot here, and then of course this opens, and Although the stamp didn't pick up all the way, that's fine because I like that faded kind of look. So I'm just going to close that back, and this is going to tuck back down in here. I'm just going to tuck that cheesecloth down in there. Let me just set this down. Tuck that there, tuck this here, and that's going to keep our flap closed. And then we have our double-sided ribbon. I thought that that was neat how she did hers, the way she created that. So, and I'm gonna have a link in the description to show you specifically where I got this idea from Rose Vintage Lane Designs. I'll have her link down there in the description, and I'll also have a card up in the corner of the video. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, check out my other videos and my blog and my social media sites, and also go check out Rose Lane Vintage Designs and see how I made her, or how I mimicked her idea. It's very fun, and she used some very pretty papers and stuff. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.